Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Hope you all are doing good and staying at home. Today I am making egg curry with potato, also known as dimer danna or dim kosha. What I have in my kitchen I am cooking and sharing with you. Today I am going to show you easy recipe that you can make at home. I post my recipes every Tuesday and Friday. If you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you will never miss the new updates. Here I have 6 hard-boiled eggs and 1 medium-sized potato. Make some holes with a fork, or you can take toothpick, or you can make some slits with a knife, because when you fry the eggs the oil won't splatter and the masala will go inside the eggs. Now we will marinate the eggs and potato with some salt and turmeric. First we will marinate the eggs with some salt, turmeric and very little Kashmiri red chili powder. It will make a nice color. Now we will marinate the potato with salt and turmeric only. Rest them for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the masala. To make the masala paste, here I am taking 1 medium-sized roughly chopped tomato, 4 pieces of green chilies, 4 pieces of garlic cloves, about half tablespoon ginger. I have already chopped it. Take a blending jar. I am taking tomato first, ginger, garlic and green chili. Add very little water, about half tablespoon. Now we will make a smooth paste. Masala paste is ready. Let's fry the eggs and potato. Turn on the flame and keep the flame on medium. I am using mustard oil. You can use any cooking oil if you want to. About 1 tablespoon mustard oil. Oil is hot enough. We will fry the egg first. Fry them on both sides till they turn golden. Flip the other side. Now take them out. Repeat the same process to fry the potato. Now take them out. Fried eggs and potatoes are ready. Here I am taking 1 medium size finely chopped onion and some whole garam masalas like 1 bay leaf, 4 pieces of cloves, 2 pieces of green cardamom and half inch cinnamon stick. I think we have enough oil, so I am not adding more oil. We will add whole garam masala, bay leaf, cloves, green cardamom and cinnamon stick. Now we will add chopped onion. Fry the onion till it turns slightly golden. Make sure heat is on medium. At this point I am adding 1/4 teaspoon sugar. It will make a nice color. Now we will add half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Add masala paste. One teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon salt. Add some water to saute the masala. Saute the masala until the oil separates. As you can see, the oil is separating. At this point, add fried eggs and potato. Keep stirring for few seconds. Now add some water. I am adding 1.5 cup of water. Now put on the lid and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium to high heat, but check it in between. It has been 12 minutes. Let's check the potato if it is cooked perfectly. Yes, as you can see, the potato has cooked perfectly. Turn off the flame. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon Bengali Garam Masala. I will add the Bengali Garam Masala's link in the description box. You can check that recipe. Now cover it again for 2 minutes only, then we'll dish out. Hope you like this egg curry recipe. Try to make at home and let me know how it is. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.